Y'all check out all these birds. Watch them when they come back. Look like about 40 or 50 of them. They're up in the tree right here. Watch. Oh, they seen that car come by? Look like a cop car. Get away from my house. Anyway, watch them. They'll come back. Look like baby doves or baby blackbirds. I'm not quite sure, but they will be back. Look, there's one. Usually it takes one to come down and then they'll all start. Here they come. Oh, they're going to the other side today. A lot of birds. A whole lot of birds. Poor little babies. This is why I feed them. Nature at its best, my friends. Let's see if we can wait one more time. I got some food cooking. See if I can catch them one more time. Yeah, here they come. Probably, I don't know, maybe when they all settle down, there's probably 100 of them, I imagine. Tearing it up, my friends. All righty, that's going to do for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. God bless y'all and stay warm.